Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ironhead. This is Dad's Garage HD. Thanks for watching. It's been a while since we have done any modifications to the Road Glide. And so after removing the crash guard and going with the full out bar, it kind of took away my highway pegs, and I really missed that. So been searching, kind of looking at these for a long time from Ciro. That's kind of what I went with. Here we go, the product from Ciro, adjustable highway peg mounts, frame mounted, and this is what you get. Now, I don't have my chicane pegs yet. They are supposed to be in a shipment, and UPS just delivered anytime between now and the next couple hours. Meantime, I felt like we could go ahead and get these put on, and then when those come in, I can just bolt them right up to it. Should be a piece of cake. Anyway, does anybody else's workbench look as messy as mine? I mean, I had to really make room for it. But anyway, getting off track. I've never done this before, so I'm going to have to read these. It seems a pretty simple solution here. Reusing a bolt in the front and then loosening the one in the back and just redoing this piece right here. Anyway, let's get started. All right, so we're going to take this bolt and this bolt out. We're going to reuse this one. We're going to replace this one, and we're going to loosen this one to have a little bit of play. So this is a 5/16 Allen head. Yeah, it's pretty snug there for my little 1/4 inch. Thought I was going to have to break out the 3/8. Okay, we're going to put him right there because we're going to reuse him. And we'll replace him, and we need to loosen this one. Have a little bit of play. Oh. Okay. Have to find somewhere else for my bell. Oops. Use these holes, but take the place of this. And what takes the place of that? This beautiful thing. Just like so. Okay, had to answer my question here, and I guess I got the answer. So they're using lock washers instead of Loctite. All right. All right, we're 25 to 35 foot-pounds. That's not very much. So I'm going to tune my digital torque wrench into, let's do 30 pounds. Always try to meet it in the middle. You can see the little indentation there and one there, so I'm just gonna kind of put that right in the middle for now until we can get our foot pegs here, and we'll try it out, see what that looks like. The directions on these things are amazing. So we can start it there. That's probably about right. A little snug. I'm not going to torque that until I get exactly where I need to. Now I need to find a place to put my, I think I'll put it right back in the same place. These are going to be way too long, but they are heavy. I don't want to lose this bell. It means a lot to me. I'm just going to stick this on here for now until we get our all right, just kind of snugged it up. There's pretty much nothing to this. Really nice quality powder coat. Ciro always makes great products. That's about it. I'm not going to bore you with the other side. It's exactly like this side. We'll get the foot pegs in, and we'll slam them on the bike, and then we'll see how it looks. UPS finally got here, and we've got our chicane highway pegs, and I think they're going to look pretty good. What do you think? I think it's going to look pretty good. Anyway, I want to go ahead and get it on the bike. Okay, I'm just going to handy it so it's not real tight. Anyway, so it comes with the little pressure washer that nearly all the foot pegs come with. All right, so you want the half moon, the flat side going towards the back, and it's kind of obvious the way it goes, because it's shaped the same way. And we're going to stick that in there. I take my trusty little spikes here, spuds as you call them, and I made sure that everything lines up. And spudding, I'm an old iron worker, hence the name Ironhead. That's where I got my nickname anyway. Just needed a little shove. I'll get this kind of snugged in here. All right, that's all snugged up. Then we'll take, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, first of all, start off with it about the same angle that the brake is, maybe. I like the way it looks. Yeah, that looks good. So this is tight. This is tight. All right. So they're on. Again, I like the way they look. I like that look that it has. Now all we need is some highway. We have the pegs. Okay. Now, very simple install. Ciro makes it very easy. You got really nice instructions. You got great packaging, great quality products, and attention to detail. Man, I think I ordered these like 2 days ago. I mean, they were here like that. So give them a shot, man. If you like this, give them a shot. I'm gonna take my bike out and do a little riding and see if I can't find that zone where they need to be, and we're gonna go from there. Thanks for watching, man. I appreciate you. If you liked the video, give it a little thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell for notifications for any new content. Until next time, stay safe.